One guy noticed me from last time, but I saw him in St. Paul. But here, the scamp here, don't worry kind of about it. I looked a lot of these. You guys saw them all, but whatever. Look at scamp here. My favorite ones. I like this. My favorite ones right here. Number 4. They're kind of cool. I like how they're small and they're good. And they're fun to look at. They have different styles here. They're in Minnesota. They have all kinds of them. They're a little small, but they're nice. They're made in Minnesota. Oh, but in and out can be a bitch. But these aren't bad. I mean, I like them. They're only just a little higher, but scamps are built solid. They're kind of nice. I like them, but these are mainly, a getaway one. But they're nice. I think they got a bathroom. I think they do. Yeah, they do. They got a bathroom here. So I said, if you're a single guy, perfect. Nothing special. Nice. Just getting out of can be a bitch, as you can see. But still, I like them. Let me place me through. But how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Not too bad. This is the next size up here. So this is like the bigger one. Looks like. And the stairway's going up there. That's kind of scary. But I like them. But I wish the ceilings were a little higher. It's kind of a hot mess. But if you want, this is a bigger one. Just the stairs getting up there can be a bitch. Oh. You don't want to be too tall getting in there. It's the only disappointment about the whole thing. It's not bad. But I like them. Didn't say how much it costs. Hey, it's free. Let's go over here and get some fishing stuff. So you got fishing gear over here too as well. So, yeah, that's the scamp. They're made in Minnesota. You got all these lures. So what are these for? Are these for muskies?
Yep, muskies.
That's what I thought. One time one got on my hook on my rapple one day and over at Calhoun. He ran off with it and I threw my thing down. The guy goes, I go, it wasn't a fish, it was a damn rapple. I just bought it. And something hit, and then I went out there again, and hit it again, and it wrapped around. I had a 25-ounce test and broke the thing. Told the guy, I'm not mad about the fish. I just bought the thing at Holiday.
Let's see, I didn't see you at the Minnesota Muskie Expo.
I probably wasn't. Was I? I don't think so.
Oh, I seen you at the show before that, at Canterbury.
Yeah.
I seen you walking around,
yeah.
And you were doing that, and then I was looking for you at the Canterbury at Muskie show, but I didn't see you there.
Yeah, well, I was there. It probably depends what day, so yeah. Yeah, I go around and film, put it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, appreciate it.
So yeah, all right. Fishing lures, well, are you online? Are you online or?
I got a card right here. It's just, we do a lot of woodworking.
Okay.
And I just do fishing stuff too.
Handmade, cool. All right, I like it. Beautiful. It's helmet. I'm talking. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I like handmade stuff. Good enough. All right. All right. Look at that stuff, you guys. Woohoo! Look at that. All kinds of fun stuff. How's business the first day? Pretty good.
It's good, exciting. Everyone's kind of walking around, just browsing.
All right. Thank you very much. There it is, you guys. Muskie, the big game hunting right there. So yeah, they recognize me and walk around. So, anyways, everybody, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good. It's fish. This is people. My brother-in-law has had a whole bunch of these. They're not cheap. $350 for this thing. $350. Really? Okay. Little beanies. I like that. Not too bad. How's the hat business?
Good.
I have well over, I'd say 8,000 hats or more. I collect every championship hat from any sport since I was 10. So I got a bunch of hats, but mainly only they represent something. People give me hats that I know all the time. My dad would travel, but beer cans are one thing. Can't wear beer cans. You can wear a hat. Okay, look at that. More hats over here. Come on, brothers. Lord. Catch and cook, yep, damn right. Yeah, a bunch of lures. This is a great show because there's so much you can come here and see. So much you can look at and fishing stuff. It's kind of cool. I wish I had more. I got to get out more this year and go fishing more. I didn't get out as much last year. But here's the Rappels I was talking about with that guy right here. They used to be made in Minnesota. I don't know where they're made now, but these are some pretty. I don't know how this stuff is. I have no idea. Oh, these things. Yeah, people come here and they get all excited and they start buying stuff left and right. And they buy lures up to Yin Yang and they spend money. I have so many lures. There's the big game right there. There they are. Look at these big boys. Those are huge. They're one for those bad boys. $122 for those things. You don't want. Those are the big dogs.
Those are the fun ones.
Yeah, it looked like a dildo to me for a second there. Looked like a dildo. My goodness, look at that sucker. Oh my goodness. This one is 20, 30 by, yeah, they look like dildos. Don't they? God, look at these bad boys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the old muskies, man. Right here. Jesus. You don't want to lose one of those bad boys.
Otherwise, if you went and you bought, like, he makes that floor mat.
Got a couple of these. These are, the Red Devils are classic. These are good. That's nice. Yep. These are always different things you can buy here too. These are kind of, I love these green ones. My favorite one is the Mimic is really good. That's really kind of cool. I'll get out of here somehow. Here we go. We'll go this way.
There was one year you were like, you guys got to get the shields because they're buying up everything.
But yeah, let me get over here into the cheating area here. All I want to know is how deep it is. Just because there's fish doesn't mean they're going to bite. You want to know how deep here, and I get that. These are not cheap either.
See how the sonar readings look a little bit different. So it's shooting this way.
Yeah, here's the these things, these Outlanders, these suckers. Make sure you wear a helmet on these things. I'd get one of those, but you're enclosed. These are always somebody being stupid, getting hurt on them. I like the Scamp, but it was the head problem there. So. The Bull Club. The Bull Clubs are expensive. As you can tell, you want to come and go on fishing trips, they've got them. Let me get some hard candy here real quick. I gotta get some hard candy here.
says, because all of a sudden, boom, the line's gone. It's like, okay,
Oh yeah, that's a
northern.
northern view. Or you'll catch a walleye and a northern.
Anyways, you got the wild one right here. All kinds of fun stuff here. Golf clubs, carts. Oh yeah. I saw this guy at the thing. I saw him the one time. Saw him. These are the basic club car. $2,000, not bad. Buy that and go golfing. Have your own golf cart if you play a lot of golf. Ooh, look at this, man. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, what the hell is this thing?
It's a muskie.
Jesus. Woo. How big? How was this? 50?
52, the biggest. So this was one during a tournament. The biggest one we caught this year was the 56 and a half. The super fat one down below.
Jesus.
What kind of fish is that?
A muskie?
The muskie.
Wow.
Big one.
That thing could bite your hand, couldn't it?
Yeah. Oh, Maloli.
Oh.
Look at that. Leech Lake. Look at those big boys.
Yeah.
Oh, Maloli. Holy God. Hat for sale. Oh my goodness. The Red Door Resort. Sandy Beach. Nice. All right. Well, that's number 4. We're going to have some little candy here.